I kind of begin these conversations in my classes by asking the students if they know Cinderella. And a lot of them do because they've seen the Disney Cinderella. And so when I bring another book like the Korean Cinderella or Bubba the Cinderella or Cinderlad or Cinderella, the Egyptian Cinderella, I have so many different ones. And when I read it and we compare and contrast them, a lot of questions arise, like how come we've never heard these stories? So then other questions, I can say, well, how many other stories don't we know that are out there? And so then we can look up these regions on a map and talk about those in languages, and the illustrations also show different concepts of beauty, different attire, different language, different, like in one, I think in the Persian Cinderella, the mom is the one that goes looking for the ride, not the, so it allows that thinking to start expanding and saying, wait, it's not just one thing, it's not just one story. Another example that I really like is when I'm teaching in math about the equal sign, and I tell them that equal sign doesn't mean the end of an answer. It means that whatever's on the sides of the equation has the same equal value. So for example, 1/2 looks different from decimal point 5. They look very different, but they have the same value. They're equal. And I use different examples like that, like 1/4, 2 dimes, and a nickel. They have the same value. So I use that equal sign, and we really talk about equivalency on both sides of the equation. So then I extend this and I say, as humans, we are equal to each other. We have equivalence, and we may look very different and talk very different and act very different, but we all have equal value. And because we all have equal value, we have to treat each other with respect and dignity and validation of somebody else's perspectives.